Welcome back, YouTubers. I picked up these molds on Amazon.com. They're epoxy molds. You can see down here on the left. I already poured it. I recommend using high density epoxy. Depending on the temperature, you'll have to wait over 24 hours to dry, so I fast forward it. If it's cold, you're going to have to wait a lot longer. You can see here they're already hardened. I'm gonna test them out in a second. Gonna beat the crap out of my leg, and they won't crack, they won't break. They're real, I guess, epoxy knuckles. You can't really say brass. They're not plastic, they're high density. Pretty much punching this thing as hard as I can. To give you an idea, I usually get the high score at the arcade, so they're pretty strong. And I also made some knives and other types of weapons out of epoxy, so if you're interested in that as well, I'll put the link for not just the knuckles but also the knives in the description. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.